Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram download issue. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram download issue, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Sorry for that mistake. App settings. Then in this page here, you will go to click on to find the application of Telegram, and you will enter here, and then in this page you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click manage storage, and when you will end this, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.